Hello and welcome back to my channel. We have a different background today. There's not a teaching video. Today's video is about a SnackSurprise subscription box that I have. It's not an advert, it's not sponsored. It was something that I bought with my own money, but I've been seeing mixed reviews about it online and I thought I would share my experience with everyone. So this is actually my second one. My first one came a month ago. I had a 3-month subscription and each month you get a different country and it's snacks that come from that country. And my first one was America, and for those that might have seen my channel or my other platforms, I used to live in America. I lived there for 4 years and I wasn't a huge fan of the snacks, and I kind of opened it and I was just like, I really wasn't impressed. So it wasn't the best start, and plus as well, I didn't even know if I was going to get it. It said it was going, I first ordered it on like the 19th of June, somewhere around there. It said it had been dispatched on about the 1st of July, and then it's like, oh, it'll be with you in 2 to 5 days or whatever it was. It didn't come in 2 to 5 days. It came like 3 weeks later, and obviously I got to the point where I was thinking, is this even going to turn up? And I'd seen things online where people were like, oh, you know, the boxes never turn up, blah, 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 blah. Well, the box did turn up. So at least that's something. The box turned up. My second box has now turned up as well. Again, it said it was meant to be dispatched on the 1st of August, but it says 3 to 5 business days, and this again has taken like 3 weeks, and it's come with Royal Mail 48, which is a 2-day delivery service. So I'm starting to question if it does actually get dispatched on the day that they say it gets dispatched, because I don't know, normally Royal Mail are quite what's the word? They're quite reliable. Usually I find that if you're going to get something, it usually does come on time. But anyway, it's arrived. Box number 2 is here. It's not the USA again, so that's great. And I thought I would show you what is inside. So my box this month is Germany, and it comes with a little booklet, and it gives you some facts about Germany, and then it tells you what comes in the boxes. So there's a mini box subscription which comes with 6. I have the original box which comes with 12 different things, and then there's also a premium box which comes with all of these extras. So yeah, this is the one that I've got all of this. It's about 14 different things. I know this one says there's 12, but there's a couple of like doubled up ones. So I have this one, and it's quite cool. It tells you like what it's like, and you know, kind of like some of the ingredients inside, because obviously some of them are written in a different language. And then they have these little like sweet symbols where you can rate what you thought of them, which I think is a really nice idea. You can say it's not for me, it's okay, and I love it. So I quite like that idea. And on the back they have like a crossword puzzle or a word search, something like that. So this is my Germany leaflet. There's a kind of a mixture of sweet and savoury snacks. I'm not a fan of savoury snacks, but I'll take it for the other things. So first of all, there looks like there's some like onion crisps. There then looks like there's some form of chili crisp, which I'll probably end up giving away to people. There's some Biffy, it looks like a pizza pocket of some sort. I don't like cheese, and I'm pretty sure this has cheese in it. So again, I'll give that away to somebody else. And then for the sweet stuff, there's some Nuffspur puff rice. If I've said that right. I remember when I used to go to like school discos when I was like 10, you used to be able to get like these puffed rice things. So this is like a blast from the past. I don't remember the bags being this big, but that's interesting. I'll eat it. There's a gateau marble cake, chocolate marble cake. I'll eat that. Pickup, I'm obsessed with these. I have the white biscuit with a milk chocolate inside, but this is a black and white one, and I love Pickup, so I'm expecting that I'll like that too. There's a hazelnut wafer thing. There is another hazelnut type chocolate bar. Again, I'll eat that. Corny Big, some chocolate, almost a bit like a cereal bar. I'll eat that too. And one of my favourite types of sweets is Haribo, and there's these volcano sour volcanoes, which I'm really looking forward to trying. I love these. Again, I can't really read them. I think there's grapefruit and apple, maybe lemon and apple, and blue, orange and apple. There's a lot of apple flavours, but that's fine. I'll eat them. And then there is this drink. So the original box always comes with a drink. The drink doesn't come in the mini boxes, and this is kind of why I wanted the original box, because I wanted ones with the drinks as well. This is some caffeine orange lemonade with cola. That sounds interesting. So the drink, and then there is a handful of, I believe on the sheet they said these are called bonbons of some sort. They look like they might have like sherbet or something inside, but yeah, so that is what is in this month's box. I'm happy it actually turned up. Again, I was starting to get a little bit worried. I was like, oh well, 19th was a month after my last one, and it came, and it's great. Everything is in like okay condition. Some people say that things burst and explode and things have run out of date, but for the most part, like these run out in 22, this runs out in November. The puff things possibly run out in 2023. So yeah, some people have said that the sell by dates aren't great, but from my last box and this box, again, end of the year, I think it's okay. I mean, they're in date enough. I'm not going to I'll probably eat them by the end of the week. They'll be gone within a few days. But yeah, I've been impressed. I mean, I like the amount of stuff that's inside it. Yes, the postage is a bit slow on this, but other than that, I'm impressed. It comes. That's the main thing. It might not come when they say it's going to come, but it turns up, so that's good enough for me. So I might do one for next month. Next month will be my last one of this particular brand, unless I decide to renew it, or I probably won't. I mean, my boxes, the 3 boxes cost me £40, so it works out about £15 a box or something like that. I don't know if I'll renew it, just because, I don't know. I miss travel, but I don't know. I think I could probably go into a World supermarket and buy some stuff for cheaper, but it's been nice trialing it out, even though the last one was America. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I should hopefully be getting back to some more teaching videos as well. There's been some big shake-ups in the ESL industry recently, but I'm still ploughing on with my job. I was working today. I had my paraprofessional shark shirt on from when I was in America, when teaching assistants are called paraprofessionals. But yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.